Om Shanti. Today is 16th July, golden versions of Bab Dada. Essence is sweet children. This confluence age is the age for you to be absolved of your sins. You definitely have to become pure in this age and not commit any sins. Question is, which children can experience supersensuous joy? Answer is, those who are full of the imperishable jewels of knowledge can experience supersensuous joy. The more knowledge you imbibe in your life, the wealthier you become. If you don't imbibe any jewels of knowledge, you remain poor. The Father is giving you the knowledge of the past, present, and future and making you Trikal Darshi. So, salutation to Shiv. Om Shanti. The past has now become the present, and this present will then become the past. People remember the past. You are now at the most auspicious confluence age. The word auspicious, Purushottam, must definitely be used. You can see the present. The memorial of the past is now happening in a practical way. No doubts should arise about this. You children, now that it is now the confluence age and also the end of the iron age. 5,000 years ago, the confluence age was definitely the past and it has now become the present. The Father has now come. Therefore, the future is that which was the past. The Father is now teaching you Raj Yoga for you to attain your kingdom in the golden age. It is now the confluence age. No one but you children knows these things. You are studying Raj Yoga practically. Now we are practicing Raj Yoga in practical way. Baba says it is extremely easy. All of you children, young and old, must definitely explain one main thing. Remember the Father, and you will be absolved of your sins. Since it is the time for being absolved your sins, you would commit further sin. However, Maya makes you perform sinful acts, and you then understand that you were slapped and were made to make a severe mistakes. You have been calling out to the Father, O purifier, come. Now that the Father has come to purify you, you should become pure, should you not? After belonging to God, you should not becoming impure. In the golden age, everyone was pure. Bharat itself was pure. It is remembered the vicious world and the viceless world, they are completely viceless, and we are vicious because we indulge in vice. The word vice means vicious. It is impure people who call out for him to come and purify them. Angry people don't call out. The Father also comes according to the drama plan. This can't be changed in the slightest way. Whatever happened in the past is happening at present. To know the past present, and future is known as being Trikardarshi. This has to be remembered. These matters require you to make a great effort. You repeatedly forget, otherwise, you children would experience so much supersensuous joy. You are becoming extremely wealthy with the imperishable jewels of knowledge. The more you imbibe, the wealthier you become. However, that is for the new world. You know that whatever you are doing now is for the future new world. The Father has come to establish the new world and to destroy the old world. This will happen exactly as it happened a cycle ago. You children will see this. There will also be natural. Baba says that there will also be natural calamities, earthquakes will take place, and everything will be destroyed. There will be so many earthquakes in Bharat and present in Delhi. So Baba says, we say that all of this will definitely happen. Baba says that it will be definitely happen because it is all in drama plan. So Baba says it also happened in the previous cycle. This is why it is said that the golden city of Dwarka sank beneath the sea. You children should make it sit in your intellects very clearly that you also took this knowledge 5,000 years ago. There is not the slightest difference in this. Baba, we claimed our inheritance from you 5,000 years ago. We have claimed our inheritance from you so many times that it can't be counted. You become the masters of the world so many times, and you then also become beggars. At this time, the whole population of Bharat is beggars. You write, according to the drama plan. Those people don't use the word drama. They have their own plan. You say that according to the drama plan, we are once again carrying out establishment exactly as we did 5,000 years ago. We are now following Shriman and doing tasks exactly what we did in the previous cycle. We are receiving power by following Shriman. There is a name, Shiv Shakti. You Shiv Shaktis are those goddesses who are worshipped in the temples. You are the goddesses who attain the kingdom of the golden again. Look how much Jagdamba is worshipped. She has been given many names, but she is only one, just as the Father is only the one Shiv. You have to make the world into heaven, and so you are also worshipped. There are so many goddesses. Lakshmi is worshipped so much. On Deepmala, Diwali is the festival of lights. They worship Mahalakshmi for our Lakshmi. She is the head. The emperor of and empress together are called Mahalakshmi. Both are included in this. We too used to worship Mahalakshmi. If our wealth increased, we believed it was because of the blessings given by Mahalakshmi. They simply worship her every year. Acha, people ask her for wealth. What do they ask of the goddesses? You, goddesses of the confluence age, give the blessing for heaven. People don't know that all their desire for heaven can be fulfilled by the goddesses. You are goddesses, are you not? You donate knowledge to human beings through which all their desires are fulfilled. When they have an illness, etc., they ask the goddesses to cure and protect them. There are many types of goddesses. You are the Shiv Shakti, goddesses of the confluence age. You bless them with heaven. The Father gives this, and you children also give this. They visibly show Mahalakshmi, whereas they make Narayan incognito. The Father is increasing the influence of you children. The goddesses fulfill all desires for happiness for 21 births. People's asking Mahalakshmi for wealth. They do good business, etc. for wealth. The Father comes and makes you into the masters of the whole world and gives you plenty of wealth. Sri Lakshmi and Narayan were the masters of the world. Now they are poverty stricken. You children know how they ruled the kingdom and then how their stage gradually descended. Look what your state has now become from taking rebirth and your degrees having decreased. This is nothing new. The cycle continues to turn every 5,000 years. Bharat is so impoverished now. It is Ravan's kingdom. Bharat used to be so elevated. It was number one. It is now the last number. If it did not become the last number, how could it become number one? There has to be a proper account. When you patiently churn the ocean of knowledge, everything will automatically enter your intellects. These are such sweet matters. You now know the whole world cycle. Education is not just carried out at school. A teacher also gives you lesson to study at home. That is called homework. The father too gives you homework. Throughout the day, you can carry on with your business, etc., because you have to earn a livelihood for your bodies. Everyone has time at Amrit Vela. 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning is a very good time. Wake up at that time and remember the Father with a lot of love. It is wise that cures you sorrow from the time they begin, through the middle to the end of them. People burn an effigy of Ravan, but they don't understand that the meaning of that. They say that the custom of burning an effigy of Ravan has continued from the beginning of time. That too is fixed according to the drama. They have been continually killing Ravan, and yet Ravan does not die. You children now understand. when the burning of Ravan's effigy will end. You are now listening to the story of the true Narayan. You know that you are now receiving your inheritance from the Father because no one knows the Father. Everyone is an orphan. They don't know the Father who makes Bharat into heaven. This too is fixed in the drama. It is only when they have come down the ladder and become Tamu Pradhan that the Father comes. However, they don't consider themselves to be Tamu Pradhan. The Father says, the whole tree has now reached a stage of totally decay. Not a single soul is Sato Pradhan, but all the souls become Baba says that Sato Pradhan souls exist in the land of peace. Now all the souls are become Tamo Pradhan. So Baba says the land of happiness and the land of peace souls are Sato Pradhan. They are now Tamo Pradhan. Only the Father can come and awaken you from the sleep of ignorance. You continue to awaken yourselves and then awaken others. When someone dies, people ignite a lamp so that there can be light for that soul. There is now totally darkness everywhere. Therefore, souls can't return home. Although from their heart they want to be liberated from their sorrows. Not a single soul can be liberated. The children who remain aware that this is now the most auspicious confluence age can't stop donating jewels of knowledge. Just as people give donation and perform great charity in the auspicious month of charity. So, you too have to donate jewels of knowledge in this most auspicious confluence age. You also understand that the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul Himself, is teaching you. There is no question of Krishna doing this. Krishna is the first prince of the golden age. Then he continued to take rebirth. Baba has explained to you the secrets of the past, present, and future also. You are becoming Trikaldarshi. No one but the Father can make you Trikaldarshi. Only the Father has the knowledge of the beginning, middle, and end of the world. Only He is called the ocean of knowledge. Only God is remembered as the highest on high. He is the creator. The words heavenly God the Father are very clear. He is the one who establishes heaven. The birthday of Shiv is celebrated, but no one knows when he come or what he did when he come. They don't even understand what his birthday means. Therefore, what would they celebrate? All of that is fixed in the drama. It is only at this time, not at any other time, that you children know the beginning, the middle, and the end of the drama. You will come to know it again when the Father comes again. You have now become aware of how the cycle of 84 births turns. What is there on the path of devotion? You don't receive anything from following that. So many devotees go to crowded place and stumble around. Baba has liberated you from that. You understand that you are now following Shrimad and making Bharat elevated once again. Only by following Shrimad can you become elevated. Shrimad is only received at the confluence age. You know accurately who you were and how you are once again become that. You are now once again making effort to attain that. Children, if while making effort you fail, you must give that news to the Father so that He can caution you and make you alert again. Don't just sit down and consider yourself to be a failure. Get up once again. Take some medicine. The surgeon is sitting here. Baba explains how much difference there is in falling from the fifth floor and falling from the second floor. The vice of lust is the fifth floor. This is why Baba says that lust is the greatest enemy. It has made you impure. Now, Purifier Father has come to purify you. He would definitely make you pure at the confluence age. This is the confluence of the end of the Iron Age and the beginning of the Golden Age. You children know that the Father is now planting the sapling. The whole tree will then grow here. The tree of you Brahmins will grow, and you will then experience happiness in the sun and moon dynasties. It is explained to you so easily. Acha, if you don't receive a Murli, then remember the Father. Make it firm in your intellect that Shiv Baba tells you through the body of Brahma. Remember me, and you will go into the Vishnu clay. Everything depends on your efforts. Whatever effort you have made every cycle, that is exactly the effort you will make now. For half the cycle, you have been body conscious. Now make full effort to become soul conscious. This requires effort. The study is easy. The main thing is to become pure. To forget the Father is a big mistake. It is by becoming body conscious that you forget Him. Carry on with your business, etc. For 8 hours for the livelihood of your bodies. But make effort to stay in remembrance for the other 8 hours. That stage will not be created very quickly. At the end, when you all reach that stage, distraction will take place. Once you reach your karmatit stage, your bodies will not remain. You will shape them because you souls will have become pure by then. When you reach your karmatit stage, number wise, the war will begin. Until then, rehearsals will continue to take place. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, and Bap Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says namaste to spiritual father. Thank you, Baba. Thank you so much. Essence for Dharna. First point is donate the imperishable jewels of knowledge in this most auspicious month of charity. Wake up at Amrit Vela and churn the ocean of knowledge, as well as earning an income for the livelihood of your body according to Shrimad. You must also definitely do the homework that the Father gives you. Second point is whenever you have any obstruction to your efforts, give that news to the Father and take Shrimad from him. Tell the surgeon everything. This is the time for you to be absolved of your sins. Therefore, don't commit any more sin. Blessings is, Baba says, may you become karmatik like the Father and be free from your body, relations, and material comforts. May you become karmatit like the Father and be free from your body, relations, and material comforts. If those who maintain their soul conscious from while looking after their household as instruments according to the directions and not out of attachment, where we receive an order to depart now. They would be so. Then the world is blown. Your time will not go by in thinking. You would be said to be a conqueror of attachment. Therefore, check yourselves whether any bondages of your body, relations, and material comforts are pulling you towards themselves. Where there is so much bondages, there will be an attraction. But those who are free will be close to the karmatic stage like the Father. Slogan is along with love and cooperation also become a form of power, and you will receive a number ahead in the kingdom. Along with love and cooperation also become a form of power, and you will receive a number ahead in the kingdom. Okay, Om Shanti. Now we are remembering Baba for the 5 minutes.
नैनों के दर्पण में मामा तुझको सदाई देखो, क्या से क्या बनाते हो, हर पल यही मैं सोचूं, हर पल यही मैं सोचूं। मन आंगन में अब तो भागा, मन आंगन में अब तो भागा, खुशियों के नाचे मोर, खुशियों के नाचे मोर। स्नेह